Good morning everyone. I am Tanushri Dalai from Civil Engineering branch and today I am going to teach you the Structural Design 2 subject. Okay. So in previous class we discussed about your basics of the structural design part. So we have learned what is steel, what do we mean by design, how it is manufactured. Okay. Then what is structure. So today I will discuss about what are steel structure. From this part I am going to the depth of your first chapter. Okay. So a structure which is made from a combination of structural steel members designated to carry loads and provide adequate rigidity is known as steel structure. You know that your steel is a ductile in nature, that means which can deform up to a long duration while subjected to loading system. Okay. So that steel is known as your ductile material. So what are the application of steel structure? So see here, the applications are high-rise buildings because of its strength, low weight and speed of construction. Because the parts of the steel members are available in different kind of sizes, so that we can easily available all the parts and just put a connection and then we can made any kind of structure. So the next one is industrial building because of its ability to create large span spaces at low cost. The next application is residential buildings in a technique called light gauge steel construction. Okay. Then last one is temporary structures, as these are quick to set up, remove. Okay. So here you can see the first figure. It is the Howrah Bridge situated at Calcutta. Okay. So this is purely made up of a steel structure, and this is a frame structure of steel, which is a frame structure of a building. Okay. So next is differentiation between steel structure and concrete structure. So why we take the steel structure instead of concrete structure? So there are so many types of merits about the steel structure as compared to concrete structure. So first comparison point is your earthquake resistance. Okay. So in case of earthquake resistance, in case of concrete structure, the concrete structures are brittle, so they are less earthquake resistance. We know that concrete is a brittle structure. Okay. As it is not deformable during a loading system up to a long duration time. Okay. So but in case of steel structure, steel can withstand earthquake more efficiently, more effectively than concrete structure. So it is a one type of advantages of steel structure as compared to concrete. So next one is your load carrying capacity. So in concrete structure, in the comparison to the steel, the load carrying capacity of the concrete is low because it is brittle in nature, so load carrying capacity also low. But in steel structure, the load carrying capacity of steel structure is good or more than the concrete because it is ductile in nature. So it can resist more load for long duration time. Then scarp value. The scarp value of concrete is nil. Okay. But in case of steel, the scarp value is there and it is suitable for a longevity of the structure. Then next is self weight. So in case of concrete structure, self weight of the concrete is more, but in case of steel structure, 60% lighter than the concrete. So it is another one advantages of steel structure as compared to concrete structure. The next comparison point is foundation. So in case of concrete structure, the foundation for the concrete structure should be strong because of the large weight of the concrete. Okay. But in steel structure, the steel structure can be made without foundation. Okay. You know that the foundation is the base of a building or any kind of structure. The foundation is the base point. So when we made a concrete structure, we need to make a foundation below the earth surface, and then we proceed to a building structure or any kind of structure over that foundation. But in case of steel structure, we don't need any foundation because steel itself is a ductile material and it is very suitable and very good for any kind of structure as compared to concrete. Okay. So next is your construction time. Okay. As I said before, your steel structure is connected by two kinds of things. First of all is bolting connection, and second thing is your welded connection. So while you connect something, so you can easily remove that connection and dismantle this structure. So it is easy for any kind of building. So here in case of concrete structure, we never used any kind of connection. Okay, because it is a mixture of a sand, cement and other thing. We have to make a mixture for the concrete. So the concrete structure generally needed 28 days before they are ready to use. It is true. But in case of steel structure, the fast in their erection and can be used soon after their erection. Okay. So it is also a one kind of advantages of a steel structure. Then next is your labor. So as we know that concrete structure, to make a concrete structure, it is very easy. So every labor know that. So here no more skilled labor is required. So that here in case of concrete structure, in labor case it required less skilled labor, but in case of steel structure it require more skilled labor, because the connections, to make a connection, to make a welding connection or bolting connection, more skilled labor is required. Okay. So next is your cost effective. So first of all, in case of concrete structure, the cost of the construction is less, but in case of steel structure, the cost of the construction is more. So here it is the lacuna of the steel structure, because the cost of the steel means it is to buy a steel, it is more costly as compared to concrete structure. So it is one kind of lacuna of steel structure. Then next is your joining. So in case of concrete structure, the joints such as construction joint, expansion joint, contraction joint, etc. are needed in concrete structure. But in case of steel components, here we use rivet, welding, knots and bolt, etc. in steel structure, as I said in before. So these are the various kinds of comparison points among the concrete structure and steel structure. So I think you can understood very well, and in the next class we will discuss about the rest of the thing. So today this much, and thank you so much for today's class. Thank you.